What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to get pro verified on Fiverr, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So guys, how to get Fiverr Pro verification as a seller. So first of all, what is it? So basically Fiverr Pro is a platform within a larger Fiverr marketplace that connects businesses with highly skilled freelance professionals. Unlike the standard Fiverr marketplace, which is open to anyone, Fiverr Pro is only available to hand-picked professionals. So what are some of the criteria? So basically professionalism, experience, portfolio, communication, and availability. So how to become one? So becoming a Fiverr Pro seller requires meeting a high set of standards set by Fiverr. So step one is meet the eligibility requirements. So you must meet a certain eligibility requirements such as detailed information about your higher education and portfolio of previous work or examples of notable projects you've created for clients outside of Fiverr and etc. Step 2 is apply for Fiverr Pro. To apply, you need to first create a new Fiverr account or sign in with your existing account before you can begin the application process and follow the instructions to submit your application. It will be reviewed by Fiverr, and if you meet the criteria, you will be accepted as Fiverr Pro seller. Step 3 is create a professional profile. After being accepted as a Fiverr Pro seller, you need to create a professional profile that showcases your expertise, skills, and experience. Your profile should include your portfolio, relevant work, and so on. Also, step 4, price your services appropriately. As a Fiverr Pro seller, you are expected to charge higher rates than regular Fiverr sellers because of your high level skills and expertise. And of course, step 5 is deliver high quality work and provide excellent customer service. To maintain your status as a Fiverr Pro seller, you must consistently deliver higher quality work and provide exceptional customer service, respond to client inquiries, and promptly meet deadlines. Becoming a Fiverr Pro seller can be an exciting journey, but it's not without its obstacles. To succeed, it's important to not only have the right skills and knowledge, but also to drive to overcome any setbacks. So overall, that's the entirety of the process, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.